Let's make a blackberry and basil sour. I made it with fresh blackberries, basil leaves, gin, and deliciousness.
If there's one flavor combination that makes me think of summer, it's blackberries and basil. Something about the two of them together, lazy afternoons, hot summer days. So I made it into a cocktail. This is a blackberry basil sour.
And here's how to make one. Grab your cocktail shaker and add a small handful of fresh blackberries, a teaspoon of sugar, and then tear up 5 or 6 basil leaves. Grab your cocktail muddler, or you can also use a large spoon and then just smush up those berries, basil leaves, and sugar together until it's as smushed as you can get it. Now I'm going to add 3 ounces of Empress 1908 gin. It gets its beautiful purple color from butterfly pea flowers, which will make our cocktail look amazing. Now I'll add ½ an ounce of pasteurized egg whites. Here's 1 ounce of lemon juice, which is our sour component, and 2 to 4 dashes of bitters. This is Angostura bitters. Whoops. Add ice and shake until well chilled and frothy. Grab your fancy cocktail glass and double strain your cocktail mixture. You can see there are a lot of seeds and leaves in there, and that's why I'm double straining it. So you have to be a little patient. Now let's garnish. I'm going to fold up one of these basil leaves and thread it onto a cocktail skewer. Let's add a fresh blackberry. And there you have it, the blackberry basil sour. Now let's give this a little taste.
Oh, it's really good. I got it on my face. Cheers.
If you enjoyed this video, I have a few others about cocktails. Why not check these out? Thanks so much for watching and subscribing, and we'll see you in the next video.